Example 4. Using inscribed polygon theorems, find the value of each variable. Let's take a look at the pink circle first. So what we're looking for is the value of x, and we're given the angle here that's 2x. We know that AB is a diameter because it passes through the center of the circle. So we know that the measure of angle C must be a right angle. So the measure of angle C equals 90 degrees. We also know from the picture that the measure of angle C is 2x. And that equals 90 degrees. So now we can divide each side by 2 and solve for x. So x equals 45. Now let's move on to the blue circle. We can see that DEFG, or quadrilateral DEFG, is inscribed in the circle because all of its vertices fall on the circle. So we know that opposite angles are supplementary. We know that the measure of angle D plus the measure of angle F equals 180 degrees. So that would be the measure of angle D plus the measure of angle F equals 180 degrees. And we also know that the measure, writing in my highlighter, the measure of angle E plus the measure of angle G equals 180 degrees. Measure of angle E plus the measure of angle G equals 180 degrees. So now we can replace the measure of angle D with x, because that's what it is in our picture. We can replace the measure of angle F with 80, because that's what it is in the picture, and bring down the equals 180, and solve for x. So x plus 80 equals 180, subtract 80 from both sides, so we're left with x equals 100. And then we do the same for the second half. So the measure of angle E is 120 from the picture. The measure of angle G is y, and that equals 180. And now we can subtract 120 from both sides, so that y equals 180 minus 120, which is 60 degrees. Well, not degrees, it's just 60. So we have now found the value of each variable.